Welcome to the AZ-900 mini quiz number 5 practice test. Let's begin. Question 1. What Azure service is used to manage identities? Option A, Azure Policy. Option B, Azure Active Directory. Option C, Azure Monitor. Option D, Azure Advisor. The correct answer is B. Azure Active Directory provides identity and access management. Question 2. Which cloud model provides maximum control over infrastructure? Option A, SaaS. Option B, PaaS. Option C, IaaS. Option D, FaaS. The correct answer is C. IaaS gives customers full control over VMs and networking. Question 3. Which Azure service supports container orchestration? Option A, Azure Functions. Option B, Azure App Service. Option C, Azure Kubernetes Service. Option D, Azure Virtual Machines. The correct answer is C. AKS manages containerized applications using Kubernetes. Question 4. What is Azure Marketplace used for? Option A, monitoring resources. Option B, buying Azure hardware. Option C, deploying pre-built solutions. Option D, creating subscriptions. The correct answer is C. Azure Marketplace offers ready-made applications and services. Question 5. Which feature improves application uptime by replicating resources? Option A, elasticity. Option B, availability zones. Option C, cost optimization. Option D, scalability. The correct answer is B. Availability zones isolate failures across data centers. Continuing with the next set of questions. Question 6. Who is responsible for data classification in the shared responsibility model? Option A, Microsoft. Option B, customer. Option C, third-party auditor. Option D, both. The correct answer is B. The customer owns and classifies their data. Question 7. Which Azure service is best for long-term data archiving? Option A, Azure Blob Hot Tier. Option B, Azure Blob Cool Tier. Option C, Azure Blob Archive Tier. Option D, Azure File Storage. The correct answer is C. Archive Tier offers lowest cost for rarely accessed data. Question 8. What does Azure Advisor mainly provide? Option A, security logs. Option B, cost estimates. Option C, best practice recommendations. Option D, user authentication. The correct answer is C. Azure Advisor suggests optimizations for Azure usage. Question 9. Which Azure service enables hybrid identity? Option A, Azure DNS. Option B, Azure AD Connect. Option C, Azure Firewall. Option D, Azure Monitor. The correct answer is B. Azure AD Connect syncs on-prem AD with Azure AD. Question 10. Which pricing option offers discounts for long-term commitment? Option A, pay-as-you-go. Option B, spot pricing. Option C, reserved instances. Option D, free tier. The correct answer is C. Reserved instances reduce cost with 1 to 3 year commitments. Continuing with the next set of questions. Question 11. Which Azure service provides managed PostgreSQL? Option A, SQL Server on VM. Option B, Azure SQL Database. Option C, Azure Database for PostgreSQL. Option D, Azure Cosmos DB. The correct answer is C. Azure Database for PostgreSQL is a managed open-source database. Question 12. Which cloud benefit eliminates capacity planning? Option A, high availability. Option B, scalability. Option C, elasticity. Option D, agility. The correct answer is C. Elasticity adjusts resources automatically to demand. Question 13. What Azure service centralizes logs and metrics? Option A, Azure Monitor. Option B, Azure Advisor. Option C, Azure Policy. Option D, Azure DevOps. The correct answer is A. Azure Monitor collects and analyzes telemetry data. Question 14. Which Azure feature blocks non-compliant resources? Option A, Azure Monitor. Option B, Azure Rollback. Option C, Azure Policy. Option D, Azure Backup. The correct answer is C. Azure Policy enforces compliance rules. Question 15. Which Azure service protects secrets and keys? Option A, Azure Storage. Option B, Azure AD. Option C, Azure Key Vault. Option D, Azure Monitor. The correct answer is C. Key Vault secures credentials, keys, and certificates. Continuing with the next set of questions. Question 16. What is the main purpose of Azure Blueprints? Option A, resource deployment. Option B, governance templates. Option C, cost analysis. Option D, network routing. The correct answer is B. Azure Blueprints define repeatable governance configurations. Question 17. Which service provides global threat detection? Option A, Azure Firewall. Option B, Azure Sentinel. Option C, Azure Advisor. Option D, Azure Policy. The correct answer is B. Azure Sentinel is Azure's cloud-native SIEM. Question 18. Which storage option supports SMB protocol? Option A, Azure Disk Storage. Option B, Azure Queue Storage. Option C, Azure File Storage. Option D, Azure Blob Storage. The correct answer is C. Azure Files supports SMB access. Question 19. What is the benefit of Cloud Global Reach? Option A, lower latency worldwide. Option B, higher security. Option C, cheaper hardware. Option D, manual scaling. The correct answer is A. Global Reach allows apps closer to users globally. Question 20. Which Azure component represents a billing boundary? Option A, resource. Option B, group. Option C, tenant. Option D, subscription. The correct answer is D. Subscriptions define billing and usage limits. Continuing with the next set of questions. Question 21. What does Azure Express Route provide? Option A, public internet access. Option B, dedicated private connection. Option C, DNS management. Option D, load balancing. The correct answer is B. Express Route provides private connectivity to Azure. Question 22. Which cloud concept focuses on automatic recovery? Option A, elasticity. Option B, resilience. Option C, scalability. Option D, agility. The correct answer is B. Resilience ensures systems recover from disruptions. Question 23. Which Azure service helps with cost alerts? Option A, Azure Monitor. Option B, Azure Advisor. Option C, Azure Cost Management. Option D, Azure Policy. The correct answer is C. Cost management enables budgets and alerts. Question 24. Which Azure service offers fully managed MySQL? Option A, SQL Server on VM. Option B, Azure SQL Database. Option C, Azure Database for MySQL. Option D, Azure Table Storage. The correct answer is C. Azure Database for MySQL is a managed relational service. Question 25. What is the main benefit of PaaS? Option A, full infrastructure control. Option B, reduced management overhead. Option C, manual scaling. Option D, fixed pricing. The correct answer is B. PaaS reduces operational complexity by managing the platform. This completes the practice session. Great job!